Meet Machine Maintenance AI Advisor by Agentic, your machine troubleshooting copilot agent. Let's understand what it does. The Maintenance Advisor is an intelligent copilot agent designed to streamline industrial maintenance troubleshooting by helping organizations in predictive and breakdown maintenance. The benefits include proactive maintenance, faster troubleshooting, historical context awareness, smart knowledge aggregation, OEM contact access, automated communication, improved response time, and centralized knowledge hub. Let's take a look at how Maintenance Advisor, powered by a copilot agent, handles the real-time machine issues using our smart automation. Here's an email that was just received by a shift engineer from our Maintenance Advisor system. First, we see that an anomaly was detected in machine. Mark 001, specifically abnormal temperature spikes, with values reaching up to 298.7 degrees Celsius. This is far above the safe threshold of 200 degrees Celsius. Copilot analyzed this anomaly and instantly performed 3 critical tasks. It consulted the machine manual and listed out potential causes, such as a stuck relay, multifunctioning thermostat, PID loop misconfiguration, and much more. It also suggested clear troubleshooting steps like calibrating the thermostat, checking pump filters, etc. It also identified a similar past case by technician Suresh Varma, helping avoid repeat work. Then, it searched online for the machine model, sharing relevant links and manufacturer contacts for further support. Now we are inside Business Central, and here's the real magic. Since Maintenance Advisor is integrated with Business Central, Maintenance Advisor has already created a work order in Business Central with an ID 00026 based on this anomaly. This work order was automatically created by a copilot agent based on the breakdown email. This means the technician don't need to investigate from scratch. Everything they need is pre-diagnosed and structured and sent over the mail. Now, I'll just quickly give you an overview where the machine data is getting stored and anomaly is getting detected. This is the detection page, where the data of all the machines is getting stored. Once the anomaly is detected, within this data, the anomaly flag is checked. So what just happened? Anomaly was detected in real time. Work order was automatically created in Business Central. Email was generated with detailed diagnostics. Copilot read the mail, extracted the issue, and were linked to the record. All of this done autonomously. With Maintenance Advisor, you don't just get alerts, you get intelligent actions seamlessly integrated with Business Central or other solutions and apps backed by Copilot agents. This is the power of Maintenance Advisor: predictive, preventive, and proactive. It's not just maintenance, it's intelligent intervention. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the next generation of machine maintenance.